Hi guys, in this video, I'll tell you about the comparison between Google Wallet and Google Pay. Google always confuses us with its similar apps, names, and so on. Today, we explore the difference between Google Wallet and Google Pay. So, let's get started to understand both. We need to look at different regions in the rest of the world. Google Wallet app lets you store credit and debit cards, digital keys, transport cards, and loyalty cards, and so on. We can also pay at a contactless terminal because of its built-in paying capabilities. It's called Tap to Pay. If the app is supported in your country, your bank supports Google Wallet, and you have an NFC-supported device, you can install and use Google Wallet. You can check for NFC settings by searching for it in the settings. The Google Wallet app is new, and before Google Wallet, we used to have Google Pay. Its goal was to pay in store. However, Google wanted to add more features, and they did. So, keeping the same name did not make much sense. That's why they rebranded it to Google Wallet. Now, let's take a look at the users in those countries that have access to both apps. Google changed Google Pay's name to Google Wallet, but they released a new app titled Google Pay so we can install both apps separately. It lets you store cards, boarding passes, digital keys, transport passes, etc. It also lets you pay in store. Google Pay is more for transferring money and managing your expenses. According to Android Central, you can't use Tap to Pay in store. However, the official website and its Google Play Store page suggest that you can use the app in store. So it's an all-in-one expense tracker. I don't know if users can pay with their NFC-supported devices, but I've seen ads where they just scan QR codes to pay to the business. The app also supports sending and receiving money from friends, and you earn rewards for using it. Honestly, I don't see any difference, and both the apps are amazing. So that's basically all about the comparison between Google Wallet and Google Pay. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.